How to remember this trigonometric table easily. After watching this entire video, you will be able to construct this table at your own capacity. Once you write the table yourself, it will be permanently stored in your memory. And will never forget it in future. So, let's start. Do concentrate on the video for next few minutes. But first draw a table containing 7 rows. 6 rows to accommodate 6 trigonometric ratios. And 1 additional row for values of angle. Also, the table should contain 6 columns. Leave the very first box in first column empty. Then, fill other boxes with sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec, one by one in this order. Remember their order in this arrangement. Do you think it is hard to memorize the order? Don't worry. We have a nice trick for this. How to memorize this order? Well, keep in mind that what you are going to do right now, you are going to simulate the table in seconds. Simulate gives sine. Table gives tan. Seconds indicates sec. Then put co-ratios of each of them accordingly. That is, after sine, its co-ratio cosine. After tangent, its co-ratio cotangent takes seat. And co-ratio of sec, that is cosec, comes after sec. Thus, it is now easier to memorize. Isn't? Thereafter, start filling the first row, starting from the second box, with 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, one by one. You need not memorize them, because values of angles here are in ascending order, and multiples of 15, with 15 and 75 being absentees. Okay, looks good. Now, fill the empty boxes in second row with a square root sign. And then put a dashed line inside each of the square root symbol. Next, we are going to fill space both above and beneath the dashed line in each box one by one. What will you put above dashed line? Well, which angle we are starting from? Yes, we are starting from 0 degree. Therefore, put 0 above the dashed line in the box underneath the 0 degree box. Then, start putting 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively in the subsequent boxes. Thus, we have put 0 to 4 serially. What to put under the dashed line? Well, which number we ended up here? Yes, we ended at 4. Therefore, put 4 under dashed lines in all boxes here in this row. Then, simplify each item in the boxes. For sine 0 degree, root over 0 by 4 gives 0. For sine 30 degree, root over 1 by 4 gives half. For sine 45 degree, root over 2 by 4 gives 1 by root 2. For sine 60 degree, root over 3 by 4 gives root 3 by 2. And for sine 90 degree, root over 4 by 4 gives 1. Thus, we have successfully found values of sine. Now, it is time to find out the corresponding values of cos. To do this, simply put all values of sine in this row, but in reverse order. Let's put sine 0 degree value under cos 90 degree box. Put sine 30 degree value under cos 60 degree box. Put sine 45 degree value under cos 45 degree. Put sine 60 degree value under cos 30 degree box. And finally, put sine 90 degree value under cos 0 degree. Thus, we get the cosine values of the corresponding angles. An important trick to remember here. Not only sine and cosine do possess this special relationship. All 3 trigonometric ratio, whose names start with prefix co, bear this property. It is called complementary relationship. Among the 6 trigonometric ratios, 3 names are unique. They are sine, tan, and sec. And other 3 can be found by adding a prefix of co. That is cosine, cotan, cosec. Thus, sine and cosine or cos are first complementary pair. Tangent and cotangent or cot are second complementary pair. Secant and cosecant or cosec or CSC are the third and last complementary pair. We have just used it for sine and cosine. And we'll use it for cotangent and cosecant later in this tutorial. To find tan values, do note that sine by cos equals tan. So divide sine values by cos values in each column and get corresponding tan values. In the first column, 0 by 1 gives 0. In the second column, half divided by root 3 by 2 gives 1 by root 3. In the third column, 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 gives 1. In the fourth column, root 3 by 2 divided by half gives root 3. In the last column, the value is infinite or undefined, since any number divided by 0 gives infinite value. So far, half the task completed. Since cot is the complementary ratio of tan, therefore we need to put tan values in reverse order in this row. Thus, tan 0 degree is the value of cot 90 degree. Tan 30 degree is the value of cot 60 degree. Tan 45 degree is the value of cot 45 degree. Tan 60 degree is the value of cot 30 degree. And tan 90 degree is the value of cot 0 degree. Thus, we get cot values. Also, we know that sec equals 1 by cos. That is, sec is reciprocal of cos. Fill boxes with 1 by cos values in each column and simplify. On simplification, we get, for sec 0 degree, 1 by 1 equals 1. That is, sec 0 degree equals 1. For sec 30 degree, 1 divided by root 3 by 2 equals 2 by root 3. For sec 45 degree, 1 divided by 1 by root 2 gives root 2. For sec 60 degree, 1 by half equals 2. For sec 90 degree, 1 by 0 equals infinity. Finally, since cosec is complementary ratio of sec, therefore put sec values in cosec row, but in reverse order. For cosec 90 degree, put value from sec 0 degree. To get cosec 60 degree, put value from sec 30 degree inside the box. For cosec 45 degree, put value from sec 45 degree. To get cosec 30 degree, put value from sec 60 degree to it. And, for cosec 0 degree, put value from sec 90 degree. Cool. We have done it. Now, it is your turn. Perform the whole procedure in your exercise book, at least once without your phone. Once you construct the table on your exercise book, you will never forget it. Inform us using the comment box if it helped you or not.